Yes, now students, in the second, find the product of, here 4 numbers are given. So, this in this 4 numbers we have to find the product of these 4 numbers. So we have to think, so in easiest way how to do. So we have to think that, and we have to rearrange and do in that way. So as possible as, so search in which is the easiest way. So in that way first you arrange the multiplicands, then after that you have to multiply. Okay. Now here 15, 12 and 15. So this is in direct only, you have to multiply. 12 16s are 16 12s are how much? Direct. 16 multiply with 12. 12 6 are 12 6 are how much? 72. 2 and 7. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 7 19. 12 plus 7 19. 192. That is 192. Product of these two is 192 into, so this is over, these two over. Now we have to find the product of these two. 70 into 150. How to multiply? So just we have to take 7 with 5, 7 with 15. 7 with 15. 15 7s are 105. 105. Now this 0 is there, so that 0 we have to keep as it is. Okay. Now 16 with 12 is 192. 70 with 15 is 1050. Now we have to multiply these two. How? 1050 with 192. Now you multiply. So then, so this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, now thousands place. This is. Multiply with 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10. 10 means 0 in tens and 1 in hundreds place. 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 2 ones are 2. With 2 it is over. Now we have to multiply with 9. 9 means first we have to take 1 0. So this is in tens place. That's what. 9 zeros are 0. 9 fives are 45. 5 here and 4 here. 9 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 9 ones are 9. Then with 1. 1 is in hundreds place, we keep 2 zeros. Then after that multiply with 1. 1 zeros are 0. 1 fives are 5. 1 zeros are 0. 1 ones are 1. Now you add all zeros, so 0. All zeros 0. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 0 6. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 5 11. 1 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1 10 here. 1 plus 1 2. That is 2 lakhs 1000. 2 lakhs 1000. So this is the product of 1050 with 2. This is the product of 1050 with 90. This is the product of 1050 with 100. And finally this is the product of 1050 with 192. 192. Now, so this again. So in simplest we have to think and write. 7 4s are 7 4s are, or otherwise you do one thing. 12 4s are 12 4s are 48. Multiply like this into, or otherwise direct if you want to do direct, because if we take 12 4s are 48 also, it is a big number only. 48 and 7 with 430, again it is a big number only. So if we change order of the multiplicands also, we will get a big number only. So no need to change order of the multiplicands. First you think, so which one is the easiest way, in which, so if we change, suppose if you take 4 12 48 and 7 we have to multiply with 430, then it is again it is a big number. and again 48 with, so that number we have to multiply. So it is a big number only, no use. So that's what first you multiply 7 4s are. 7 4s are 28. These two product is over. Now you have to multiply these two. How? So leave this 12 with 43, 12 with only this 43. 12 3s are 36 and 3 carry over. 12 4s are 48, 48, 48, 49, 50, 51. 51 will come and 1 0 is left, 1 0. If you feel it is difficult, then you take 430 into 12. Okay, 12 zeros are 0, 12 3s are 36 and 3, 12 4s are 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, in the rough column 5160, 5160. Now you have to multiply 5160 with 28, 5160 with 28. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now you multiply with 8 first. 8 zeros are 0, 8 6 are 48 and 4 here. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 12 and 1. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 1 41. Next with 2. 2 means first we take 0. Why? Because 2 is in tens place. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12 and 1 carry over. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 5s are 10. 0 8 4 4 4 1, that is 1,44,480. Okay. Now, so this 15 as it is and this 60 as it is, 12 5s are 60. Then 15 as it is, we have to multiply 6 with 6, 6 6 are 36. How many zeros left? Here 1, here 1, 2 zeros we have to keep. 3600. Then how to multiply in the easiest way? 15 with 36 we have to multiply. 36 with 15. 15 6 are 90. 9. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 9 54. It is 540. 2 zeros left, that 2 zeros you keep here. It is 54,000. 54,000. Okay. Now 7 5s are 35 with 10 13s are 130. Now you have to multiply 35 with 13. 35 with 13. 13 5s are 65, 5 and 6. 13 3s are 39, 39 plus 3 45. 455. Here 1 0 is left, that 0 you keep here. That is 4550. So these two questions are easy questions. So in that way you have to do. So these are the big questions, big numbers are given. So we have to do multiplication in that way. According to your question, you solve your problem. Okay. Yes. Now students, next question. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. So here some multiplicands are given. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 multiplicands are given. In easiest way we have to arrange the multiplicands and we have to find the product. So what is the easiest way? You have to think first. So it is in that way, it is easy, no need to change. Why? Because 5 4s are 20. So that is why. So it will come in 20 means 200. 5 4s are 20 and 1 0. 200. Now how to multiply this? Now this 875 we have to multiply with 2. 875 with 2. 2 5s are 10, 1. 2014 plus 1, 15, 1. 2 8 is 16 plus 1, 17. Okay. So 1750, and here 2 zeros are there, that 2 zeros you have to keep. It is very easy to find the product. Okay. So first you have to multiply these two, and this is the product of these two, and after that 875 you have to multiply with 2, 875 with 2. Okay. Then you will get your product. Now here, first here you have to arrange 25 and 4, 25 and 4 first, then after that 525. 25 4 is it is very easy, 25 4 is 100, then 525, then hundreds, 200s are there, then how to multiply, so we learn. So we have to multiply 1 with 525, 1 into 525, 525. Here 2 zeros there, that 2 zeros you have to keep, 52,500. In simplest way we have to find, here. So no need to change, just keep as it is, 426 as it is into 2 8s are 16 and 0, 160, 160. Now you have to multiply 426 with 16, 426 with 16, 416 with 16. Then how to multiply? 16 6 are 96, 16 6 are, direct you take 16 table, you know 16 table, no? Then 16 6 are 96 and 9, 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 9, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 1 in tens, 4 in hundreds. 16 4s are 64, 64 plus 4, 65, 66, 67, 68. What is your answer? 6,816. And here 1 0 is left, that 0 you have to keep. 16,160. This is your answer. Now, here 335, here 3 6 are 80, 18, 3 6 are 18, means 1 0 is there, that 0 you have to keep. Then after that you have to multiply 335 with 18, 335 multiply with 18, 18 5s are, 18 5s are how much? 90, 9 here. Then 18 3s are, 18 3s are how much? 54, 18 3s are 54, 54 plus 9, 63, 3 here and 6, 18 3s are 54, 54 plus 6, 60, that is 6030. Here 1 0 left, that 0. What is your answer? 60,300. In this way, so we have to find our product in easiest, in simplest method. Okay. In that way, first you have to arrange your multiplicants, and after that you have to find the product. Okay. Yes, now students, next topic, word problems. We are going to discuss about word problems. First word problem: a man had bought a notebook for rupees 112 rupees. He bought 300 such notebooks. So a notebook cost how much? 112. Then how many he bought? 300. 300 such notebooks. How much did he pay in all? So one book cost means one book price is given, that is 112 rupees, and he is asking 300 books cost. If one is given more he is asking, then what we have to do? We have to multiply. Here, solution: one notebook one notebook cost? How much? 112. Next, what we have to find? 300 notebooks cost, price or cost is equal to, so we have to multiply 112 with 300. So then how to multiply when 100, 200, 300, 400 is given? It is very easy, no? So we have to multiply 112 with 3. 112 with 3. First you have to multiply 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 336. How many zeros we have? 2 zeros. That 2 zeros you have to keep. And keep comma after one's period. Then, so therefore, 300 notebooks cost or price rupees 36,600. So this much amount he has to pay. How much? 3,600 he has to pay. Okay. So because 300 notebooks cost is 33,600, so that much amount he has to pay. Okay. Now, in the next question, the cost of a glass vase is given. So that is 1,999. So then find the cost of 25 such glasses. 25. One article cost is given, he is asking more. If one is given more, he is asking means we have to multiply. So here write 1. Solution first. 1 glass vase cost is equal to rupees 1,999. 25 glass vases cost is equal to 1,995. We have to multiply with 25. Then how to multiply? 1,995 we have to multiply with 25. If you know 25 table, then direct you have to multiply, otherwise one by one. First with 5. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 5 with 9. 5 nines are 45 and 4 here. 5 nines are 45, 45 plus 4, 49 and 4. 5 nines are 45, 45 plus 4, 49 and 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. With 5 it is over. Now we have to multiply with 2. Okay. 2 means 2 is in tens place. First we keep a 0 first. Now you start with 2. 2 nines are 18 and 1 here. 2 nines are 18 plus 1, 19 and 1. 2 nines are 18 plus 1, 19. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Now add. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 8, 17. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 1. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19 and 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 49,975. How many? 25 glass vases cost. Therefore, 25 how much? Rupees 49,975. This is the cost of 25 glass vases cost. Next. The next question, during a charity show, so 1050 students contributed. How many? 1050 students contributed. Out of this, 450 each they paid. Each how much they paid? 450 rupees. So one student paid how much? 450. Then total, so this many students how much they paid? It means about one students he has given. So 1050 he has asking, means one is given more he is asking. It means we have to multiply. Amount each student contributed how much? Rupees 450. Each student contributed 450. Then 1050 students contributed amount. Contributed is equal to 1050 with 450. Now we have to multiply 1050 with 450. This is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. First with 0. 0 zeros are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 1s are 0. Now with 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25 and 2 here. 5 0 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 5 1s are 5. Next with 4. Here we have to take 0. Why we have to take 0? Because 5 is in tens place. Now 4 is in hundreds place, we have to take 2 zeros first. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20 and 2 here. 4 0 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 4 1s are 4. Now you add 0, 0, 5, 2, 7, 4. 4,72,000. How many? Total 1050 students contributed. 1050 students contributed rupees 4,72,500. This much amount they contributed. Okay. So total how much? Rupees 4,72,500 they contributed. Okay. Now students, here next question. A truck is loaded with 1234 cartons of chocolates. How many cartons of chocolate? 1234. This many chocolates. So carton. So each carton has 144 chocolates. How many cartons are there? So 1234 cartons were there. In each carton 144 chocolates are there. Then how many chocolates are there on the truck? Means in one carton is given, in total 1234 cartons, how many chocolates are there we have to find. Means one is given, more he is asking. One he has given, one is given, more he has asking. So it means we have to multiply. We have to multiply. Chocolates in one carton, one carton, that is 144. Chocolates in 1234 cartons. Chocolates in 1234 cartons is equal to 1234 multiply with 144. So now you have to multiply 1234 multiply with 144. Then first with 4. 4 for the 16 and 1. For the 12 plus 1, 13, 1. 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9. 4 1s are 4. This 4 is over. Again this 4. This 4 is in tens place. We have to keep a 0 in ones place first. 4 4s are 16, 1. 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 13 and 1. 4 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. 4 1s are 4. And again with this 1. This 1 is in hundreds place. We keep 2 zeros first, then 1. 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Now you add 6, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 1, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 4 plus 1, 5, plus 2, 7, 1. So, this is 1776. So, these are total chocolates in truck. Total chocolates. This many chocolates. 1,77,696. Next, yes, now students see here. So, the decorate a banquet hall 1,300 banquet hall. So, to decorate a banquet hall, so 1,354 electric bulbs were bought. This many bulbs they bought. So, then if the cost of each bulb is given 28 rupees, then what is the total cost of 1,345? Here total how many bulbs are there? So, to decorate banquet hall 1,354 bulbs they need. So, they bought. So, each bulb is given 28 rupees. The price of each bulb is given 28 rupees. Then what is the price of? So, 1,345 bulbs here. 1,345 bulbs we have to find. 1,000 total 1,345. This many bulbs. Okay. 1,345 bulbs. So, the cost we have to find. We have to, so it is not a 45. In your textbook it is given that it is 1,354. 1,354. So, this many bulbs price we have to find. So, how many bulbs? 1,354. So, one bulb price is given. One bulb cost is given, that is rupees 28. Now, we have to find 1,354 bulbs price. 1,354 bulbs cost. What we have to do? We have to multiply 1,354 with 28. With 28. Then how to multiply? 1,354 we have to multiply with 28. 28. So, now this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, this is thousands place with 8 first. 8 4s are 32, 3. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3, 43. 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28, 2. 8 1s are 8, 10. Then after that with 2. First we take a 0 first, that is in tens place. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now add this 2, 11, this is 9, 7, 3, 37,912. How many bulbs? 1,354 bulbs. Cost is rupees 37,912. So, this is the price of total 1,354 bulbs. Okay. After this more 3 sums were there, the similar questions, that 3 similar questions, so do as your home assignment. Okay, okay students.